Unlocking the mystery of make a mint. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, make a mint. This expression is not just about coins and money, but it's a colorful part of the English language that enriches our understanding of idioms. So, let's unravel its meaning together. Make a mint is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they made a mint, they mean they have earned a large amount of money, often quickly or easily. This phrase is not used to describe a small or average income, it's all about significant wealth. Interestingly, the word mint in this context refers to a place where money is coined, giving us a vivid image of generating a lot of money. The origins of make a mint are quite literal. Historically, a mint is where coins are produced. If you owned a mint, you had the power to create money. Over time, this literal idea evolved into a figurative expression. By saying someone made a mint, we are likening their earnings to having their own personal money-making machine. To get comfortable with make a mint, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. After inventing that popular app, she made a mint. Here, it implies earning a lot from a successful invention. 2. He made a mint by investing in the stock market at the right time. This highlights significant earnings through smart investing. 3. They made a mint during the holiday season with their unique crafts. This shows how a particular occasion led to large profits. English is rich with phrases about wealth. Similar expressions to make a mint include strike it rich, suddenly becoming very wealthy; hit the jackpot, gaining a large sum of money, like winning a lottery; make a killing, earning a lot of money very quickly. Understanding phrases like make a mint adds color and depth to your English language skills. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression and its usage. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about the culture and history behind them. Keep exploring, and you'll make a mint in your language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.